Hello everyone, welcome back to another Google Calendar tutorial. If you use Apple devices and want your Google Calendar events to appear in Apple Calendar automatically, this video is for you. In this complete 2026 guide, I'll show you the easiest way to connect Google Calendar with Apple Calendar using the built-in calendar integration settings. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Click the settings icon in the top right corner and then select Settings from the menu. On the left side of the screen, choose the calendar that you want to sync with Apple Calendar. After selecting it, scroll down and open Integrate Calendar. In this section, you'll find several calendar details, including the calendar ID, public URL to this calendar, and public address in iCal format. The most important option is the public address in iCal format. This is the calendar link that Apple Calendar can use to subscribe to your Google Calendar. Once this link is used in Apple Calendar, your Google Calendar events can appear automatically in the Apple Calendar app. This is useful for keeping your schedule available across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Any updates you make in Google Calendar can also appear in Apple Calendar after synchronization, helping you manage meetings, reminders, appointments, and personal events more efficiently. That's all you need to do. This is a simple and reliable way to sync Google Calendar with Apple Calendar in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.